Hello my little ones. How are you today? I am Bansri ma'am. Now tell me, what did we learn yesterday in numeracy space? Yes, we learned a pre-number concept, that is long and short. Now today we will quickly revise that concept with some more examples. Then we will do one activity related to long and short. Are you ready to revise it? Yes, let's start.
While we compare the length of any two objects, if the length of the object is more than the other object, then we can say that the object is long. And if the length of the object is less than the other object, then we can say that the object is short. Now let's see some more examples of long and short. Here this scissor is long and this scissor is short. Long and short. Now you can see two books. This book is long and this book is short. Long, short. Now you can see two toothpaste tubes. This tube is long and this tube is short. Long, short. Now you can see two toothbrushes. This toothbrush is long and this toothbrush is short. Long, short. Now you can see a crocodile and a caterpillar. Crocodile is long and caterpillar is short. Long, short.
Now it's time for an activity related to long and short.
Let's start an activity. In this activity, we will segregate long and short objects. As you can see, I have kept two tags over here, long and short. Below that, you can see a long tray and a short tray. Now, we will segregate these objects according to their length. If the object is long, then we will put it in the long tray, and if the object is short, then we will put it in the short tray. Now let's start. These are two pencils. Now tell me which pencil is long and which pencil is short. Yes, the blue pencil is long. So we will put blue pencil in the long tray, and red pencil is short, so we will put it in the short tray. These are chalks. Now tell me which chalk is long and which chalk is short. Yes, the yellow chalk is short, so we will put it in the short tray. And pink chalk is long, so we will put it in the long tray. These are sketch pens. Now tell me which sketch pen is long and which sketch pen is short. Yes, the green sketch pen is long, so we will put it in the long tray, and orange sketch pen is short, so we will put it in the short tray. These are two boxes. Now we will put long box in the long tray, and we will put short box in the short tray. These are scales. Now we will put long scale in the long tray, and we will put short scale in the short tray. Now these are two spoons. So we will put long spoon in the long tray and short spoon in the short tray. In this tray, all the objects are long, and in this tray, all the objects are short.
Now I am giving you the solution of the worksheet which I gave you yesterday for your practice work.
This is the worksheet which I gave you yesterday for your practice work. In this worksheet, you have to tick the box which have short object. Now tell me, in the first picture, which pencil is short? Yes, the first pencil is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of the short pencil. Now tell me, in the next picture, which girl is having short hair? Yes, the second girl is having short hair. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of her. In the next picture, you can see two dumbbells. Now tell me, which dumbbell is short? Yes, the blue dumbbell is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of blue dumbbell. Now tell me, in the next picture, which table is short? Yes, the first table is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of short table. In the next picture, there are two scales. Now tell me, which scale is short? Yes, the first scale is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of the short scale. Now tell me, in the last picture, which car is short? Yes, the blue car is short. So we will put a tick mark in the box which is in front of the blue car. This is the solution of your worksheet.
I hope you all have done your worksheet by yourself and you all are learning from these videos. Okay children, see you soon. Bye bye. Keep learning. Take care.